Hi, today I will cover about EC2 instance types. So the EC2 instance type will be explained in this Amazon web URL. So let me show you in that URL. So here the EC2 instance type will be categorized in this below types. So those are general purpose, compute optimized and memory optimized, accelerated computing, storage optimized and HPC optimized. So I will show it on the next page. So before that, let me tell you about the EC2 instance type, how it will be how it will be using in the naming. So see here, for example, just take it t2 dot medium is the one of the instance type. So here the T will be the instance class and the 2 will be the generation of the instances, and the medium will be the size within the instance class. For example, if it is a T, then obviously we can consider it's a general purpose, and the 2 will be the generation of the instance, and the medium will be the size of the instance. So anyway, I will explain you about the each categorization described in the Amazon. So you will come to know. So first one will be the general purpose. Here the general purpose will be great for diversity of workloads such as web servers or code repositories, and this will be the balance between compute, memory and networking. So usually when you use this general purpose, the memory and compute and networking, it all will be the equal load. So those kind of situation you can use the general purpose. Like usually we use web servers, it uses the RAM and the CPU. For example, this general purpose, it uses the instance type will T2, T3 and T4G, and these all instance types will be the general purpose. And each instance you will separate have the sizes like T2 dot micro, T2 dot nano, T2 dot x large, like that. So you can see it in the page which I shown in previous screen. And the next will be the compute optimized, and this will be the perfect for compute intensive tasks demanding high performance processor. Like it can useful when we are doing batch processing workloads, and when we are doing media transcoding, and when high performance web servers, high performance computing, scientific modeling and machine learning, dedicated for gaming servers. And when we are actually playing a games, and obviously it's need more CPU, so that situation also we can use this compute optimized. And compute optimized, it will starts from C. All the instance type will starts at C. You could see these are the compute optimized instance types. And for the memory optimized, memory means actually it will start it's a RAM. So the VM instance, it will start as R. You could see it's not only R, it will be mostly it will start at R, and the X and high memory also, it will be the same memory optimized only. Yeah, and this memory optimized instance type will be the fast performance for workloads that process large data sets in memory. For example, when we are using the high performance relational non-relational databases, we should use memory optimized. And also the same distributed web scale cache stores and in-memory database optimized for BI, and application performing real-time processing of big unstructured data. So these kind of situations you can use for memory optimization. For storage optimized, it is actually used for storage intensive tasks that requires high sequential read and write access to large data set on local storage. For, the use cases are high frequency online transaction processing systems and relational and NoSQL database, cache for in-memory databases, and data warehousing applications, distributed file system. These are the situations we can use for the storage optimized. And the storage optimized instance will be starting like these are the storage optimized instances like H1, D2, D3, D3EN, and I3EN, like that. The storage optimized will start. And I can show you the on web view website. So it will show you, we can see all the instance type. So we can you can choose the region as well, in which region and how much uh, cost it will be, and what are the available types also, it is there, like that. You can see it will show entire uh, instance type. You can filter it the name, or you can filter with the API name, or if you wanted to check with the memory. So whatever, you can filter it and you can find out. So also if it is a Linux based, and what will be the reserved cost and what will be the Windows cost, like that you can identify easily here. So this website will be useful for when you are doing the, if you wanted to identify, and if you wanted to compare from other instance type, you can just use this website. Yeah, thank you.